We're on stop number 2 of the diphthong syllable type. I told you it's going to be bumpy. There's 2 stops on this ride. There are the diphthongs, which are letters that can come together to make a glidey sound. These are all the long vowel ones. Oh, there's a lot more. These are just examples. And then we have examples of the other ones. So I first teach these ones because I just got teaching Magic E and vowel teams. Now I'll do the long ones. And then when I'm done in spring, I will move to these other really fun ones that say the other sounds that we need to account for in our English language. So I will spend quite a bit of time talking about these with one syllable words before I bring in a multisyllabic. But let's stop and look and see what happens here. All right, so I see a vowel sound there. That is a diphthong, O-W. That can say O or ow. We're going to have to figure that out in a minute. Oh, and I see an O-Y. Remember, when a Y is at the end of a word, it's a vowel. All right, so here is our bridge. The W is already be taken care of with this diphthong. We do not need to label that as a consonant sound because it's already part of the diphthong. But the B is by itself. All right, where do we divide it? When we see one C on a bridge, we do the dotted line right before. And if it's not a word we know, we'll move it after. So let's see. I already know that could say O or ow, because we've learned both. And this is going to be oi. That's another great little diphthong. Oi. That one's fun. My students love that one. So we're going to start this one with its long sound first, because that's the first one I teach, and it's a little bit more common in a lot of cases. So, O, co, boy, boy, cowboy. So we know we might have messed this up because we know this can make 2 sounds. So before we move the syllable line, we're going to try the other sound to see if it sounds better. The ow, ow, cow, boy, boy, cowboy, cowboy. Is cowboy a word? Yes, we did it. We just needed to make it the other kind of diphthong sound, the ow sound. And oi is another fun one. We did it! Success. All right. I hope you enjoyed our journey through the syllable types. The next couple of videos I'm going to show you coming up are going to be some more multisyllabic words with some like 3-syllable or 4-syllable words and how we do it.